Today we will be discussing on a very important topic, which is the comparison between Microsoft Excel versus Google Sheet. Now, why is this comparison important? Before we dive in, make sure you hit the like button, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you will never miss tips to level up your skills. And if you have a favorite tool, let me know in the comments below. Why do we need to compare them? For we to know when best to use Microsoft Excel and when it is best for you to use Google Sheet. The core features between both of them regarding Excel, for Excel specifically, Excel can handle massive data sets and offers over 450 advanced functions. Meanwhile, Google Sheets is lighter with around 350 functions. Now, when it comes to collaboration and accessibility with respect to Microsoft Excel and Google Sheet works with more or works with a remote team. It's very, very good when you're working remotely. And it's also good with real-time editing and automatic saving. It automatically saves your work for you. But compared to what Excel, it prefers working offline. And also it is also good when you need complex modeling. With respect to speed and performance, which is handling large data sets, Excel's work faster with huge data sets. So, meaning when you are having a huge data set, when you are considering speed while working with large data set, Excel is best for you to use because Excel work faster with huge data set. But Google Sheets works slower. It's slowed down with large files better, but it's it's good for small tasks, small data sets. Integration and automation. When you consider the integration part and the automation part, Excel uses VBA for advanced automation. But at that of Google Sheet use what we call app scripts, which is JavaScript based, and it integrates with Google services. Now, but regarding the pricing and accessibility, if you compare them, Google Sheet is free as far as you are having Google account or you are having part of the Google workspace. But Excel, you will have to pay for it, Microsoft 365. So, but it's more powerful, it has more powerful features. When do you use Excel? I would advise you to use Excel when you have a large data set, advanced statistical analysis, when you're building dashboard and reports. And lastly, when you need to work offline, use Excel. When it comes to Google Sheet, when you need real-time collaboration, whereby someone is outside the country and you're outside here, but you're working together. Now, quick, simple data analysis. If you need just simple analysis of 5 to 3 columns, lightweight everyday task, simple task, and easy sharing and accessibility. If you need to share or access, yeah. Now, with these two comparison, which one should you choose? Here is my final advice. I have 3 statements. Choose Excel if you need power, if you need speed, if you need advanced feature. But choose Google Sheet if you value collaboration, simplicity, and accessibility. And lastly, you can even use both depending on your project. If this breakdown helped you out, don't forget to like, subscribe. It's totally free. And drop a comment section sharing your favorite tool and why. Let's keep the conversation going. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video. Bye bye.